Electric mobility is evolving fast, and tricycles are becoming one of the most exciting parts of that revolution. In 2026, manufacturers and innovators are pushing the limits of design, performance, and practicality to create electric tricycles that are smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever before. From futuristic cargo trikes built for busy city streets to high-tech personal mobility machines packed with advanced features, these vehicles are redefining how people move around urban environments. In this video, we're counting down 20 next-level electric tricycles that combine cutting-edge technology, eye-catching designs, and impressive efficiency. Whether you're into innovative vehicles, sustainable transportation, or just love discovering cool tech, these trikes will absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive in. Cixi Vigoz. The Cixi Vigoz is a futuristic electric tricycle that blends the experience of a bicycle, scooter, and compact electric car into one innovative vehicle. Powered by a 22 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers an impressive range of around 160 kilometers, 100 miles, and can reach a top speed of about 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour. It also features a unique chainless PERRAO pedaling system that converts pedal energy into electric assistance while regenerative braking helps recover power. With seating for two and a sleek enclosed cockpit, the Vigoz feels surprisingly car-like. The estimated price is around $15,000 plus, positioning it as a premium next-generation mobility solution. XYTE One. The XYTE One is a unique electric tricycle designed for modern city commuting, blending the feel of a scooter with the comfort of a compact car. It features an electric motor producing around 11 kilowatts, 19 kilowatts peak, a 7.6 kilowatt-hour battery, and a top speed of about 99 kilometers per hour, with a range of up to 112 kilometers on a single charge. The trike also includes a 10-inch touchscreen, 72-liter storage trunk, ABS braking, and a protective roof cabin for added comfort. With a launch price starting around €10,750 to €12,900, the XYTE One offers a smart and futuristic solution for urban mobility. Nimbus One. The Nimbus One is a compact electric tricycle designed specifically for city commuting, combining the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort of a small car. It features a 9 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers up to 150 kilometers, 93 miles, of city range and a top speed of around 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour. The enclosed cabin includes modern features like ABS, traction control, Bluetooth speakers, heating, and optional air conditioning. With its ultra-narrow design that fits almost anywhere, the Nimbus One is built for tight urban spaces. The estimated starting price is around $9,980. Daymak Spiritus. The Daymak Spiritus is one of the most extreme electric tricycles ever designed, combining futuristic styling with supercar-level performance. This three-wheeled EV comes in two versions: the Spiritus Deluxe, offering about 300 kilometers, 186 miles, of range, and a starting price of around $19,995, and the high-performance Spiritus Ultimate, capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.8 seconds with up to 480 kilometers, 300 miles of range. It also features solar trickle charging, wireless charging, and advanced tech inside a sleek two-seat cockpit. Arcimoto FUV. The Arcimoto FUV is a unique electric tricycle designed to make everyday commuting fun, efficient, and eco-friendly. Powered by dual electric motors, producing around 77 to 81 horsepower, it can reach a top speed of about 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, and delivers an estimated range of around 100 miles, 160 kilometers, on a single charge. The tandem two-seat design, heated seats, Bluetooth speakers, and regenerative braking add comfort and practicality. With a starting price of around $17,900 to $19,900, The Arcimoto FUV offers an exciting and futuristic alternative for urban mobility. Sixthreezero 750-watt Recumbent E Trike. The Sixthreezero 750-watt Recumbent E Trike is designed for riders who want maximum comfort and stability while enjoying electric assistance. It features a 750-watt rear hub motor, a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour lithium battery, and fat 4-inch tires that provide smooth rides on pavement, gravel, or light trails. The relaxed recumbent seating with a supportive backrest makes long rides surprisingly comfortable. With a top speed of around 20 miles per hour and a range up to about 50 miles, it's perfect for leisure or commuting. The typical price starts at around $3,000. TerraGlide 2. The TerraGlide 2 is a futuristic electric recumbent tricycle designed to deliver comfort, innovation, and a completely new riding experience. Instead of traditional handlebars, it uses a joystick-based steer-by-wire control system, giving it a unique and high-tech feel on the road. The Trike features a dual motor system, fat tires for improved stability, a lightweight aluminum chassis, and advanced digital displays that show real-time ride data. Its modular design allows different battery setups for varying ranges. As a prototype concept vehicle, the expected price is estimated at around $5,000 to $8,000. Viribus FC2. The Viribus FC2 is a practical and fun folding electric tricycle that makes city cruising and errands much easier. It packs a 750-watt rear-drive motor, 1,200-watt peak, and a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour Samsung battery, giving you a comfortable top speed of about 20 miles per hour, and up to roughly 62 miles on pedal assist or 36 miles on throttle alone. With hydraulic brakes, a sturdy frame, NFC keyless start, and a payload capacity of 400 pounds, it feels solid for daily use. The clever two-step folding design makes storage effortless, and the FC2's price sits around $1,799 to $1,999, offering strong value for a capable urban e-trike. vanRaam Fun2Go. The vanRaam Fun2Go is a charming and thoughtfully designed side-by-side electric tricycle that makes riding with a friend or loved one truly enjoyable. With pedal assistance up to about 20 kilometers per hour and a standard range around 20 to 60 kilometers depending on battery setup, it's perfect for leisurely city rides, social cycling, or therapeutic outings. Comfort comes from adjustable seats, easy step-in access, and stable three-wheel balance. Prices vary heavily by configuration, but typically start around €6,000 to €10,500, with fully equipped electric versions higher depending on battery and options. Afreda S8. The Afreda S8 electric trike is a fun and practical three-wheeler that blends stability with everyday mobility. It's powered by a 500-watt motor, with a 250-watt EU-compliant version, and a 48-volt, approximately 19-ampere-hour Samsung lithium battery, giving you a top speed of around 22 miles per hour, 35 kilometers per hour, and up to about 50 miles of range on a single charge, plenty for urban rides or quick errands. The foldable frame, dual hydraulic disc brakes, and color LCD add convenience and safety. At around $2,299 to $2,499, the S8 offers strong value for riders who want easygoing electric cruising with smart features. DWMEIGI MG2301. The DWMEIGI MG2301. Silverado HD is a rugged electric tricycle that blends strength with everyday usability. It's driven by a 750-watt Beifang brushless motor and a 48-volt 14-ampere-hour removable Samsung battery, giving you a top speed of about 25 miles per hour and a range up to around 35 miles on pure electric or 55 miles with pedal assist. Solid for errands or weekend rides. Big fat tires, a Shimano 7-speed shifter, and roomy front and rear baskets add practicality. With a price around $2,900, it's a robust choice for riders who want a dependable, all-terrain e-trike with cargo capacity. PERRARO Ridex Electric Trike. The PERRARO Ridex passenger seat. Electric Trike is a rugged and versatile electric tricycle built for fun group rides and practical everyday use. It's powered by a 750-watt rear-drive motor, up to approximately 1,400 watts peak, paired with a 48-volt 20-ampere-hour battery, giving you plenty of power and an estimated range up to approximately 85 to 90 miles per charge. Great for family outings or errands. The roomy bench passenger seat, foldable aluminum frame, differential system, and top speed around 20 miles per hour make it enjoyable and stable to ride. With a price around $3,250 to $3,800, it's a premium choice for shared electric mobility with cargo flexibility. Maxfoot MF-33. The Maxfoot MF-33 is a fun and capable electric tricycle built for shared adventures and everyday rides. It's powered by a 750-watt rear-drive motor with about 85 Nm of torque and a UL-certified 48-volt 20-ampere-hour Samsung battery, giving you up to around 85 miles, 137 kilometers, of range in pedal assist mode and a top speed of about 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, ideal for cruising neighborhoods or short errands. The thoughtful two-seat design with a comfortable passenger bench, rear differential, and fat tires make it stable and comfortable for up to 3 adults. With a retail price of around $3,300, it's a stylish and practical option for families and couples who want a smooth, social e-trike experience. Addmotor M-380. The Addmotor M-380 tandem e-trike is a substantial electric tricycle built for 2 riders who want power and range for relaxed cruising or errands. It's equipped with a 750-watt rear-drive motor, 48-volt 20-ampere-hour battery, with optional dual battery setup, and delivers up to an impressive 130-mile range on a full charge, with a comfortable top speed of around 20 miles per hour. The sturdy frame supports about 500-pound payload, making it great for adults and cargo together. At around $4,099, the M380 feels solid and capable, though its size and price reflect its tandem-focused design, rather than a simple commuter trike. Lectric XP Trike 2. The Lectric XP Trike 2 is a fun, foldable electric tricycle that brings comfort, stability, and everyday usability without breaking the bank. Available in a 500-watt model with up to approximately 50 miles range, or a 750-watt long-range version reaching about approximately 70 miles. It offers a smooth ride thanks to front cloud 50 suspension, hydraulic brakes, and multiple riding modes. With a top speed up to about 17 miles per hour and a foldable design that supports around 415 pounds, it's practical for errands or leisure. Prices start around $1,499 for the base model and about $1,799 for the upgraded long-range version. Velotric Triker. The Velotric Triker is a high-end electric tricycle that feels stable and confident for daily rides or errands. Powered by a 48-volt, 750-watt rear hub motor with 1,300-watt peak and 90 Nm of torque. It climbs gentle hills and cruises up to 20 miles per hour with ease. A 48-volt, 16.75 ampere-hour battery delivers up to about 60 miles of range with pedal assist. Comfort comes from a low step-through frame, hydraulic suspension, and adjustable seat, while built-in lights, hydraulic brakes, and a robust cargo capacity make it practical. At around $2,400, it's a well-appointed option for comfortable, confident 3-wheel riding. Huffy Electric Green Machine. The Huffy Electric Green Machine is an absolute blast if what you want is pure fun and drifting thrills rather than traditional commuting. Powered by a 36-volt battery and a 250-watt front hub motor, it'll push you up to about 15 miles per hour. And the thumb throttle with LED battery indicator makes it easy to manage your ride. Its adjustable seat and rugged disc brake add comfort and control for longer sessions. With a retail price around $550 to $600, it's priced more like an exciting electric ride-on toy than a utility trike, making it perfect for play, cruising, and spontaneous spins, rather than serious transport. Vook E Trike. The Vook E Trike is a striking and innovative electric tricycle that feels like a blend of a go-kart, urban EV, and stylish cruiser rolled into one. With dual rear motors totaling up to approximately 6,000 watts peak and an optional 30 ampere-hours or 50 ampere-hours battery, it can cover up to approximately 80 to 110 miles, 128 to 177 kilometers, on a single charge and reach a top speed around 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, across 4 riding modes. Its lightweight aluminum frame, puncture-proof tires, hydro disc brakes, and tech-like fingerprint start, app connectivity, and dual cameras add real wow factor. Early pricing on Indiegogo starts at about $2,300 to $2,500, making it an exciting choice for long-range e-mobility enthusiasts. Pumper Car Luxe. The Pumper Car Luxe is a genuinely unconventional electric tricycle that blends fitness with fun and forward-thinking mobility. Built with a sleek carbon fiber and aluminum frame, it uses a patented integrated personal transportation system that engages both arms and legs, offering a full-body pump action workout while you ride. With the electric assist reaching up to about 25 miles per hour and roughly 25-mile range per charge, it's designed for bike lanes and neighborhood streets. Luxury features like LED lights, performance controls, and a foldable design make it practical and playful. Although pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, the Luxe's focus on innovation and health-oriented commuting makes it one of the most intriguing upcoming e-trikes. AKO Trike 150 pesos. The AKO Trike P150 is a bold and futuristic electric three-wheeler that blurs the line between motorcycle and small EV, offering a thrilling ride experience unlike typical e-trikes. It packs a potent electric powertrain with up to 100 kilowatts, approximately 200 horsepower, and an 80 to 24 kilowatt-hour battery that gives a claimed range around 200 to 300 kilometers, 124 to 186 miles, and a startling top speed near 230 kilometers per hour, 140 miles per hour, thanks to its patented tilting system for smooth cornering. Seating for 2 plus cargo adds practicality, but it sits at a premium price of about $29,000, more like a niche performance EV than a commuter tricycle.